Your name?
I'm called Simon Skamabu. A common name I'm known as Asaba Simon.
So
Other call me Asaba Yowasi. That is the common name of me.
So we understand that the market is going to be closed. What do you have to say about it?
Oh, you see how the market is very congested. We have been here. This is a native market. It has been here for almost 50 years. When we are going across, sometimes we have been going across to go and market in Congo. It is the RDC called Benedicto Vigirwa who give us this market. She's a late now, Benedicto Vigirwa. She was coming from Bushenyi by then. She could come well in the morning and stand at the bridge and stop people from going across. That's how we got this market. Recently, the president brought it back from Congo. It is a native market. It's where we eat from. We have seen that there is a lot of problems with the Ebola. Yeah, we have seen Ebola all along. People suffering in Butembo, in Beni, and in Bunia. We are the same people, and we interact every day. Every day, we are the same community. We dig across, and some people across they come and dig here. We have students who study in French, who stay in Uganda. We have students who study English. They come from Congo. Every morning, all people you see from the hill and surroundings, they all eat from here. So the moment they lock this, it will be a very big problem. So very big problem.
So yeah. What can be done to control the?
It's only to put there the measures. Let people be sustained. They tell them what to do. They tell them to wash their hands. They bring the necessities. People to control themselves. But the problem we have here, the market is too highly congested. It is highly congested. The market, the town planners and the government planners, we don't know what happened here. Even our town is highly congested. There is no avenues. You see how vehicles park. They park just on road sides. There is no parking around. The government has not come in to make a feasibility study and see how they can organize this town. It is a border town. Everyone is coming here. It serves almost all of East Africa, even Central Africa. You see this border. It serves the people from Ethiopia. There are so many people who come here, the Somalis and Sudanese. Mostly we have here a community of Sudanese. They are like 500 Sudanese who operate in this market every day. So let the government to come and arrange this town. This town is not arranged because this is the only economy we have around. The population has increased. There's no chambers. No chambers. People come here and make business, and that's when they pay school fees and getting their money. There is a big problem if they close this market. We don't know how people are going to do. There's no chambers around. We need to go to the near the national park, but there's no more chambers.
Okay.
Akatali aka kamachingwa amukomena nga holoma Asaba Simon, no commonly known as Asaba Yowasi. Akatali aka kamachingwa etukenipata problem kondo setu chiwita andi hatu kalema abandu baba kalema kwa national park kabonu sechere marema abandu ana bakapatira sente shabo kandi cyangwa takero kubwira akatali aka machingwa tuti abana bakasomera Congo abakaru hanu bakasome French harana abana bakaru Congo bakasanu bakasomera hanu bana banene tuli community ngumerere tuli bandu ba umerere eshe family zisine Beni Butembo esine Kasendi. They are the same people tuute na marema amarema twale Congo yatukalera yatukayarema obulinja acha bandu bakatsinduka yeri amarema munebwiri nale bakindi chinga boda chikini to effect chinga kutsibu ile to chabanga nakola kutsibu batu ireshe mezazi bale abantu bastayinga kutsindwa Ebola mutu controlling Ebola hano mutu controlling COVID abantu bamutukere naba abantu bamutuka arimenye chereho mutu controlling mpaka COVID yamaho the same system a ministry of health yasitwatikaye ireshe mezazi tushale tunaukanda expanding a market it congested ya ribyanyike goma a feasibility study base about town planners bakare kabandu bahimba kitya a government yasireba how they can control this population. Omanga na Asaba Yowasi.
Jina ni Kabuo Chireru Chienze Mire kutoka mji wa Kabukamabwe kutokea Kongo, mji wa Kasindi. Nasema kwa ajili ya soko yetu hapa mgini wa Kastama, mji wa Museveni. Atusikilie huruma kwa sababu Uganda na Lubiriha ndio mgine yetu yenye tunakulia na tunasaidiana. Wengine ni wamama wanajipigania maisha, hawana ume. Sasa wakati wengine wanatembeza, wakati anatufungia barabara, tutakuwa na kulisha watoto wapi? Wamama wengine wanafaa maisha ya kutafutia watoto ili wapate elimu, wasome masomo, na watoto walipomaliza masomo itakuwa ni lazima.
Sasa wewe unauza nini?
Mimi natembeza watermelon. Na ile watermelon ndio niko na watoto 3 ni mayatima, hawana baba. Sasa wakati mnatufungia barabara, sisi wengine tutakulisha watoto wapi? Tutaiba.
Umebaki ndio?
Nimebaki hapa mji wa Kastama.
Kwa majina?
Kwa majina ni Kabuo Jelefa Mutikirwa Chireru Chienze Mire.
Amena.
Eri naliaini Felezi ya Kabira sanunga sangalango ko katale kabere chingwa tute abana bo sukuru senu sitwanituka sukuru efizi abana senu tukasangala kutsibu kandi business twabye twabiruleshe business na twabiritsiteka mosoko sahe no tukabulanga tukole tuti batukendi kolia yabana kandi nzala nene kutsibu nene kutsibu
masoko ukasoraje
ingenga ulaya moko isande niyonga lusa ko fizi abana
soka namani
yenze Mbusa Ramadhani kuba bwera fe bobasi bakatale wano wano boda wetulira we bana ba boda tugenda kufa kubanga wetugenda gubera babbi bayagala muntu yambe omwezi ogo mungi tuli bubi eno wakatale wetulira yebiri buli kintu kifuna mu katale kaunga tugula enkudu amanda tugula buli kintu buli kimu kiva mu katale bwe musiba katale mubera nga mutukoze bubi ate abantu bagenda kubba buli muntu wonna katale kayesize mumwa mutu gambe mutuve mu katale mutukoze bubi ate government mutuyambe katale kaberenga tuli mu kukola mpola nga bali maberenga batukebera natuyingira mu katale mutoba mukebere tukole nga buli job naye tuli bubi. Yenze ninje Mbusa Ramadhani rilwebwera ngakole boda emibiri yetu yosi tukakolera makatale na mama biritinga katale mukiyama matukola nabe kandi itobosi tukayomba itobosi tukakolera makatale abamama abake kulwa abakeli obuli munda ote mu biashara tukaulesha avocado abameru abakaula mu isande abakaula mahere na mama biritinga katale mukiyama matukola nabe anguli atiri ketukindiri ya bilairo gamukindi tuwachiri mamuka tupima tukingira makatale itwa pimwa itwana bakwa byala etutwangana chende raku omushala ninje Mbusa Ramadhani erilwebwera
amenanga likawa medias omukaloni wechigo tukayibulabula aturuche munabwire adusha mucha makatale situ chewete echeribuwa tonga basubiri bebona enzale yabiri byanene musumaka nakola ebiri byetu byamuma abana besukuru situta tukefizi abana banu tukabote government yitukiro buliye mwete bibeke tibyo koshenyucho tungere mweshenyucho itona bakobyala imurunda na hyoma ahikapima itonga basubiri babada famata seka banetu
acha omuntu wangu naku
itu sitwa ngaba tukana bala abo government rebe na munesi yosi batuke kwa latrotre batulete bibeke tukana bakobyala manyini mesha bala babaka bituma mwenda tukolochi ita karingera makatale batata na gutira rekatinga batata abotoma ye kwa banetu enzala nene ebiba mubike nakwa akatale kakatuliseya
wa masiara
ngamashyara ngalika bwa medias omugalino mukabiri akaba